In this video, we're going to go over how to quickly fix lower back and sciatica pain in bed. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe here at SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. So in this video, we're going to help ease lower back pain and sciatica pain all in the comfort of your own bed. The great part about these exercises, they're very easy to do and can give relief in as little as 30 seconds. They don't require any special equipment. And again, what we're going to focus on is quick pain relief through a very safe way of taking pressure out of the lower back. I'm going to show you different variations of stretches, so make sure to give them all a try and go with the ones that you feel are the most effective towards lowering your lower back pain or sciatica pain. So let's get started with them. This first exercise we're going to do in a two-part progression, going from a lighter stretch to a more intense one in the lower back. What we want to do, lay flat on our back in bed, put our legs together, take our arms and anchor ourselves down. What I'm going to do is take the knees and then put rotation to the lower back by taking them to one side. When I do this, I just go very slowly with it, and I want to try to keep my bottom or my hips flat as possible on the bed. Only go towards a stretch that feels comfortable. This should not cause any discomfort. If it does, please discontinue immediately. When I get to that point where it's a very good stretch, I hold that for 3 seconds. I then simply come back up to the middle and then repeat on the other side. You want to do 10 repetitions on each side and just feel for it to give a lot more mobility into the lower back. It's going to take a lot of pressure off of the muscles, the soft tissue, and those spinal discs, which hopefully will give you quick pain relief and also hopefully off that sciatic nerve. So from there we can build into a stronger stretch that's really going to help mobilize the lower back and take pressure off those spinal discs that may be causing sciatic pain down the leg. What we're going to do is just lower one leg completely straight, and then I'm going to take the hand on the opposite side of the leg that I'm focusing on that would have the sciatic pain, and I'm going to hook it right behind just like this. And I want my knee at about 90 degrees. What we do is just simply start to rotate that leg towards the opposite direction. And you just keep pulling it down until you feel a very good stretch, only to our comfort level. This should not cause any more discomfort. If it does, please discontinue. And then from there, what you're going to do is hold that for about 15 seconds, and this is how we're going to intensify the stretch. Take one arm, straighten it like this, and then slowly start to rotate the upper body and your head towards the opposite direction. So my upper body is rotating towards my left, while this leg right here, my left leg, is going towards the opposite direction. And I tell you what, it feels great. This is a wonderful way to get a lot more mobility into the lower back that will help decrease pain and take pressure off the spinal discs and that sciatic nerve. Hold this one 15 seconds, just simply relax. Do it upwards to 5 times, and if you feel comfortable, you can go to the other leg and do the same thing. For this next exercise, we're also going to do a two-part progression from a lighter stretch into a more advanced stretch. What I'm going to do is lay flat on my stomach for this one. We're going to do what's called a half Cobra Pose. If you're familiar with that yoga pose, it's a very good way to put extension or backwards motion into the lumbar spine to take pressure off the back, especially those spinal discs that can pinch onto the sciatic nerve, causing sciatica. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply lift my upper body up like this. And this right here should put a very good stretch into the lower back. Try to keep the pelvic floor and the hips as flat as possible on the bed. You want to hold this position upwards to 30 seconds if possible. You can also lower yourself, and you can also go all the way into full extension depending on your comfort level. Again, only go to your comfort level. If you find that this is too intense, you can also just prop yourself up on your elbows like this and then progress into fully extending the arms. So once you feel comfortable doing this, let's move on to the more advanced style stretch. What I'm going to do is whatever side that I'm having pain on, especially like a left-sided sciatica pain, I'm going to move over towards the edge of the bed and then put that leg off just like this. Just let gravity take it. And then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the leg up towards my upper body as much as I feel comfortable doing so. And from there, go back into that Cobra Pose. Start off on your elbows right here, and I tell you what, you're going to feel a lot more tension being taken off that sciatic nerve on whatever side the leg is off the bed. And if you feel comfortable, just kind of build into that Cobra Pose right there, and tell you what, it feels like a very good stretch right here. But just hold this one for upwards to 15 to 30 seconds. Simply just relax, and then at that point, do it upwards to 5 times. So give all these exercises a try. I really do hope that they give you a lot of lower back pain and sciatica pain relief, and go with the ones that you feel are the most effective. If you liked the video and got a lot of relief, please show us your support by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to our channel too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and thank you for watching.